What's up YouTube, this is Prince today, TP101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your iPhone XS Max battery life last a whole 2+ days. So if you don't want to charge your phone, if you just want to be freestyling out there, not caring about anything, not charging, then this is what you got to do. You got to get this case right here. Get this Zero Lemon case. It's 5,000 milliamp hours, and the iPhone XS Max battery life is 3174, so 3,174 milliamp hours. So this case right here, this battery case, is way more than that. So this thing could last you 2+ days. So I've been using this all day. So whenever my phone hits 50%, I put it on and I turn it on, and now I'm almost at 100%. And the battery life on the case is still almost at pretty much at 100%. So when you have 4 beams, when you have the 4 LEDs, it's 100. You know, 3 is 75, and then it goes down 25 after that. So all you have to do is just put this case on. One click. Let me turn it off real quick. Long press. It turns off, and then a single press turns it back on, just like that. And this thing charges with a regular lightning cable. So when you buy this, you won't get a charging cable in the box, but you just use your iPhone cable to charge it up. So that's real convenient. You see, got the volume up and down. You got the cutout. Got the power button to the side right here. And overall, this thing feels real nice. The texture, this part right here that holds the phone, has a little texture finishes to it, so it's not really slippery. Feels real good. And overall, this thing, it feels better than it looks. When you have it in your hand, it's not real heavy. It just feels good. I mean, so when you look at it, it looks kind of ugly. It looks like that the phones that the people use in the iPhone store. You go to buy something at Apple, then they have some phones or iPods with a whole thing that scans. So yeah, overall, this case is definitely worth it. I think it's about 40 bucks, and for 5,000 milliamp hours, this thing could have you running for 2 days without actually plugging in your iPhone. So that's a major win. I mean, and it looks decent. So you got that tapered up there, and this thing is not slippery at all. This thing has nice grip, has a little bit of lip. It's kind of hard to see because I also have a screen protector on there from Zero Lemon as well. So the case I have is from Zero Lemon, and also the screen protector is from Zero Lemon. So thanks to them for sending out this case. The screen protector, I should have bought it, but they sent me this. So it looks real nice, and that's the practicality of this, is you could never have enough battery life. More the better. So yeah, there you go. That's how it looks. I mean, it looks kind of ugly, but it is what it is. You got the cutouts at the bottom for your speaker and your mic, and yeah, overall, this thing is a definite win. This thing could have you up and running for 2 days plus. I mean, so when my phone hits 50%, I put it on and turn it on today, and you can see it's almost at 100%. Our battery life on the case is still almost at 100%. So yeah, there you go. Check it out. It's Prince today, TP101. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching.